Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Chrissy and this is my first makeup video. I made a series about doing a makeup look starting with a color starting with a letter in the alphabet. So there's going to be 26 videos, A through Z. And today I did amber and this is the look that I came up with. It's pretty baller and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. So please stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks. I'm sure you guys know from the title that I'm creating a series, makeup videos, that go from colors starting with the letter of each one in the alphabet. So there's going to be 26 videos in this series and each one is going to have a look pertaining to that color that starts with that letter. So we are going to do amber today. That's the color that I chose. And amber is kind of like a yellowy, almost honey color, but it's amber because it starts with A, and that's what we're doing today. And so I thought that this palette was going to be perfect for that because of the nice yellow shades it has. And I honestly have no idea what this look is going to be because normally when I do my makeup I just kind of sit down and look at the colors or get inspiration from something, whether I want to use glitter that day or sparkles or matte or just lips, liner, what have you. And yeah, we're just gonna roll with it, okay? So normally I like to start with my eyes because things tend to get a little bit messy and I don't like to mess up my foundation. So I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes with concealer rather than eye primer because I don't have an eye primer. And I'm just going to blend that out with my little sponge. We're going to set that with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Alright, so I'm going to take the brush, came in the palette, and I'm going to use the fluffy side. And we're going to go right in to Dawn, the creamy color in the palette. And I'm going to put that everywhere. There is quite a bit of fallout already. Honestly, I don't mind it. But that powder does kick into the other colors in the palette, which is the annoying part. But now it's gone. Alright. I'm going to go in with Edge, the yellow, the true yellow in the palette, and with the flatter side of the same brush. I'm just going to tap it. And I'm going to put it on the lid. This is like the weird palette, the weird sister. Anastasia's weird sister is this palette, which is fine by me because I'm weird and I like it. Okay, now let's throw some New Wave into it. I knew you guys knew where this was going. I mean, shit, we gotta use all the amber color shades in the palette because it's amber. Alright, well, we're gonna take the fluffy side, tap it off, and throw that right there in light crease. Alright. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take a smaller sort of concealer brush. This is the concealer F70 by Sigma. We're gonna take Too Faced glitter primer, glitter glue. Just take a little bit, put it on our lid where we put that edge shade. Now, I'm going to wipe off my brush real quick. And go in with that Flash shade from Kat Von D. And put that right on top of that primer. Let's move on to the rest of the face. And for that, I'm going to use Becca First Light Priming Filter. Just a little bit. So put that there. And then take my NYX Pore Filler. Foundation, L'Oreal Pro Glow, and NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. NARS is in Light 2 and 201 Classic Ivory in the L'Oreal. So I just blended out my concealer and I put some of that Laura Mercier powder all under my eyes and my smile lines and the sides of my nose. And I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana bronzer as my powder because I think it looks really nice on the skin. Gives it that extra little something and sets it at the same time. And whatever's under my eyes, I'm just gonna leave till my brows are done. That way it has plenty of time to just sit and chill and do its little thing, alright? So now we're gonna do our eyebrows. And they're looking a little extra scruffy today, so we're just gonna make them scruffier. And I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and mine's broken because I'm just that cool. And my color is dark brown, okay? Okay, that one's done, and I'm gonna be right back with the other one. Kat Von D shade and light contour palette. Alright, we're gonna take a simple medium size fluffy brush. Okay, ain't no fancy shit here because I'm broke. And we're gonna go in with the middle brown shade. Tap it off, swirl it on. And this is gonna bring us back from the dead of Pale City. And then I take the light grayish brown color contour shade, not the dark one, and run that in the hollows in the back. Now, because I don't have any clean brushes, we're gonna squish it. Take the gray brown, this the contour shade, squish it with the edge into our nose, all the way up to the eyebrow. There was a time when I never used to contour the nose. You know, it's a fairly new thing in the last couple of years, and never did it until one day, one magical day, I tried it out. My life was forever changed, all because of my nose. I'm like, oh shit, look at my nose, it's so cute. Whenever I would look in pictures, like, look at it, it's like 50 times better. We do blush, and for that I like my good old Sigma F40. It's the angled one. That's what I like. And it's really dirty, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's do some orange blush. I'm gonna use Too Faced I Will Always Love You. My neat little blush flush palette. Okay, it's the orange one right here. Alright, okay. So today we're gonna use my good old Becca Shimmering Skin Protector in Moonstone. Ooh. And I broke it a while ago and I fixed it, so that's why it looks kind of wonky, but I still use it because it's still good. That satisfying feeling of the highlighter. Yes. We're going to take edge on a flat brush. Just a little bit of New Wave. I'm gonna squish it on the floppy side. Just on the outer. Okay, so I added some eyeliner and lashes, and now we are gonna do some lips and something a little special at the end. And the lips that I'm going to be doing is it's called the Catrice Lip Foundation Pencil, and this is the color 2, Caramel Blonde to Go, Yangina liquid eyeliner, and it's got 2 sides, and one side is just a regular little pen, which works wonderfully, and the other side is a stamp. Ooh, and that's our little surprise. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like my video. And I hope you guys stick around to see more of my face and listen to my voice, because I want to be friends so we can be weird together, because this was a lot of fun, and stay weird.